Salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer notre aventure. Nous avions terminé donc la quête de la Brigade Fantôme euh, dans le dernier épisode. Et là, je me suis dit qu'on pourrait lancer la quête de Petrus qui devait nous donner. Donc il fallait lui reparler.
Have you considered my proposition?
Lui demander de répéter son aide. Non, pas du tout. On s'en occupe maintenant.
Very well. Let's go
Ah,
and
la
discover what
caméra.
the governor would rather keep hidden from the world.
Excellent.
How would you like to go about this?
We must search her apartments in St. Matthias. They'll be guarded, of course. But if we are discreet, that shouldn't be a problem.
This is taking quite a risk. The congregation's reputation could suffer if we're caught, and my cousin's position would be weakened.
I know. But keep in mind that I know the palace extremely well. And if we want to be sure to pass without being noticed, we need only dress ourselves up as servants.
That would improve our chances. Well, let's do it.
Tiens donc Vasco il part et on valide la quête, on garde Kurt quoi qu'il arrive. Donc du coup, fouiller les appartements de la cardinale. Au niveau du monde, nous devons aller à San Mateus. Très bien. On va voyager directement. La demeure de Scarlett. De Sardet. Il va falloir trouver des habits de domestiques et essayer de se faufiler en douce. Alors soit ça risque d'être une quête très sympa à faire, soit ça va être une quête mais complètement horrible où je vais pas arrêter de me faire repérer et où ça va faire foirer la quête. Donc du coup, il faut rentrer ici. Très bien. Est-ce qu'on va me laisser rentrer comme ça déjà? Après, peut-être pour aller plus loin dans le palais, il va falloir les habits. Il faudrait au moins qu'on me laisse rentrer comme ça, déjà. Est-ce que c'est faisable ou pas? Déjà, on va sur une toute petite sauvegarde. Voilà, très bien. Avant de faire de la merde. Enfin, en même temps, vous avez l'habitude. Hein. Il y a certaines fois où je pourrais même m'étonner. Mais là... Donc on nous dit qu'il faut monter. Mais j'aimerais bien trouver donc les habits qu'il me fallait. Donc on a quelque chose ici qu'on n'a pas vu. Donc là on peut descendre. Donc là c'est une prison. C'est là où on va atterrir prochainement, je pense.
This area of the palace is forbidden to visitors, by order of the Mother Cardinal.
We did not know. Please, excuse us.
The basements are for servants only.
Very well. We'll go back up.
D'accord. Donc c'est bien ici où il va falloir rentrer avec les habits de domestique. Très bien. On va visiter les deux autres endroits. Alors lui, il n'y a pas. Lui, il a des poignets. La statue, elle est assez bien faite. Tout en or, hein. Il s'emmerde pas, hein. Il s'emmerde pas. Donc ce n'est pas ici. Je pense qu'il va falloir monter à l'étage. Donc la reine-mère doit nous donner une quête. On va aller lui parler quand même.
Ah,
c'est
Your
automatique.
Excellency. The Enlightened must have sent you. I would like to ask a favor of you.
I'm listening.
As you may be aware, we suspected this island might be the one St. Lucius wrote about.
Is that so?
We did, but let me explain. This island was where St. Matthias lived at the end of his life, and where he founded a perfect community. Some time ago, we created a village which we called Eden, following his example. We chose this place as it seemed to be the closest to the one described in the Holy Scriptures. It is a home to a community of converted islanders, accompanied and guided in their budding faith by our theologians. As you can imagine, it is of the utmost importance to us. All the more so because we discovered some tablets there, which were engraved by our founder.
An extraordinary discovery that confirms your suspicions.
I see you understand. Alas, these tablets were stolen, probably by the islanders who still reject our influence. I know that you are generally well accepted by the natives. That is why I was hoping that you could help us to retrieve what belongs to us.
I suppose I could go to Eden and try to retrieve them.
Marvelous. The leader of the community, Father Justinius, will be able to answer your questions. May the Enlightened assist you in this holy quest, Your Excellency.
D'accord. Je suis sûr que c'est des camps de concentration directement. Donc nous cherchons... Ah tiens, une clé de la salle secrète. Intéressant. Elle doit être de ce côté. Donc on va rentrer par l'autre porte. Clé de la salle secrète. Il va nous interdire l'accès lui aussi ou pas? Non. Déjà, la salle secrète, c'est pas celle-là, hein. Il n'y a rien du tout. Donc, avant de se paumer dans ce labyrinthe, donc c'est tout droit. Et j'aurais bien aimé savoir où était la salle secrète. On va voir d'abord sur la gauche. Waouh. Ah, il s'emmerde pas ici, hein. Bon, il n'y a rien du tout de ce côté. Un document. D'accord. Donc il faut bien accéder à la porte en bas. Je me demande si la salle secrète n'est pas exactement là où on doit aller au final. ce côté, il n'y a rien du tout. Hein. On suit toujours la bonne quête au moins. Oui, c'est ça. Gilet confortable. Est-ce que par hasard, nous n'avons pas des gilets confortables? Pas du tout. Tu veux pas me filer ta tenue, toi?
May the Enlightened bless you.
Ah non, elle s'en fout. Dommage qu'on peut pas assommer les gens. On m'indique que c'est en dessous. On va y aller de ce pas. Je sais pas où trouver les vêtements. Ah, on me dit directement de sortir. D'accord, donc les vêtements sont à l'extérieur. Ah, c'est peut-être le vendeur. On m'indique peut-être le vendeur. Et non, ils ont toujours pas enlevé cette pauvre bête. Bon, cette pauvre bête, on en a tué quelques-uns. Hein. Ouais, c'est bien ça, c'est le marchand. Oui, la meilleure boutique. Hein. On les connaît, les meilleures boutiques. Discuter.
Do you like it here in San Mateus?
It is impossible not to like it here. The air is purer than it is on the continent. The Malachor is far away. And rumor has it that this island is the one Saint Mateus himself chose as his final resting place.
Ah, peut-être qu'il était fou aussi. Hein. Acheter. Gilet confortable. 1, 2 et 3. Oh, elle est belle cette armure. Changer de personnage. Non, moi je veux Kurt. Donc il n'a pas l'agilité 3. C'est ça que je voulais voir, non. Résistance à la magie, il y en a un petit peu plus, bien évidemment. Et de mon côté... Non, j'ai un très bon anneau. D'accord, très bien.
Goodbye. May the Enlightened always keep you in his divine blessing.
Donc, moi j'ai mis le gilet confortable. Il faut que je le mette à tout le monde. Voilà. Donc du coup, avec ma jolie cape, j'ai pris une nouvelle cape avec l'insigne des nautes dessus. C'est la plus jolie. Hein. Elle me donne un petit peu plus de régène magie. Toujours avec un petit point dans le charisme. Je me demande si ça marche réellement. Hein. Mais bon. Donc là, il devrait nous laisser passer du coup. Bonjour. Je sais pas où je vais. D'accord, c'est des petites salles à la con. Ah, c'est cette porte là-bas. Je n'avais pas vu. donc du coup. On va tout fouiller.
Well, this is a very unique place. The smell of stupor and vice reign as its masters.
You're not wrong. We should search this place.
Ah, ça sent le bésodrome, ça.
Oh, for goodness sake. This room reeks of alcohol.
And not just any old alcohol, if my nose does not deceive me. Cornelia always had great taste when it came to drinking.
Mais dites-moi, y a quelqu'un qui est parti à moitié à poil du coup. C'est quoi ça?
It seems that someone forgot their earring.
Ugh, here is an object of more than questionable taste. A woman from a good family would never wear it. It's junk. The kind of thing a courtesan would wear.
I didn't know you were an expert on the subject, Father.
The subject of jewelry?
No, of courtesans.
We are here at the heart of human depravity. Outrageous luxury, excessively priced alcohol, obvious debauchery.
Surely this is enough to incriminate the Mother Cardinal.
No, my child. These things are common in certain circles, even in Thélème, unfortunately. Cornelia may well have organized these things for others. These parties might be of use in gaining some political favor. We must find out who is involved and learn more.
The earring that we found may help us with that. We could ask at the brothel if it belongs to a prostitute.
We should continue searching. Perhaps we missed something.
Allez, Petrus, je suis sûr que t'as participé. Hein? Habillé en courtisane, mon salaud. Bon, du coup, j'ai fini là. Il y a d'autres portes. Ah, on a quelque chose. On a quelque chose à regarder dans le coin. Je ne vois plus de lueur. On va rentrer par la porte. Utiliser la clé. La salle secrète. Elle est ici. Ouh, ça c'est pour garder les comptes. Ouh. Un petit livre de comptes avec les noms, ça serait sympa. Un sucre d'orge. Ok.
Ici, sucre d'orge, mais où est-ce que t'es?
This document is highly important. By reading it carefully, you could learn a lot. The Mother Cardinal apparently borrows large amounts of money from a moneylender. Actually, enormous sums.
What's more, she does so quite regularly. How does she manage to give it all back?
And the name Candy Cane crops up several times. Quite suspicious, don't you think?
This sweet person must be doing her huge favors to get these sums. I think we have everything we need. There is probably a connection between these pleasure parties and the account books. Let's ask a few questions.
The moneylender is well established. He can be found near the main square. As for this Candy Cane, the name doesn't ring any bells to me, but the moneylender must know more about him.
We can also go and gather information at the Coin Tavern. Perhaps the manager knows him.
Ok. Ah, sucre d'orge. Bon, par contre, dès que je sors, je change mes habits là. Je vais peut-être les garder de côté. On sait jamais. Hop là. Là, je pense qu'on peut les changer du coup. Alors, je garde celui avec le crochetage. D'abord Kurt. Kurt, mon ami Kurt. On a quoi? Là c'est crochetage. Ah, c'est les deux mêmes. Très bien. On va leur mettre cela. Attendez. Ils portent des anneaux? Sérieux? Je vais lui mettre cet anneau alors. D'accord, il utilise la magie comme moi. Tiens donc. Avec la constitution qu'il a, je pensais qu'il était tank. Qu'est-ce qu'il fout avec, avec des anneaux? Ah, c'est dommage qu'il n'en a pas un légendaire, je l'aurais piqué. Donc du coup... Ça c'est quoi? Interroger l'usurier. Et là on nous demande quoi? Interroger les prostituées. Bah, je pense qu'on va interroger les prostituées. Directement. Interroger le responsable des paris, interroger l'aubergiste. Tout ça c'est pour la même quête? L'usurier, responsable des paris, les prostituées et l'aubergiste. D'accord. On est tout sur la même quête. On va interroger d'abord l'usurier, c'est le plus proche. C'est parti, c'est juste à côté, hein, donc on va pouvoir faire le chemin ensemble. Donc du coup, c'est de ce côté. L'usurier. Bonjour D'Artagnan.
Can I help you?
Yes, actually. I have a small favor to ask.
You don't look like you need money from me.
Parlez de la mère cardinale.
I know that you know the Mother Cardinal. She borrowed money from you on several occasions. I want to know why.
Where did you find that out? Hmm? Who told you?
I want to know why she borrows money from you.
Lending money is my job. It's not illegal. And I don't have to give you an answer.
Oh la voix de merde. Oh là là, c'est un truc de fou. Là, on va pas se faire envoyer par la mère cardinale, on vient juste de lui parler. La mère cardinale, bon, à moins qu'il est complètement débile. Bon, on va invoquer le nom de Sucre d'orge.
I imagine that the name Candy Cane rings a bell.
Obviously. All of San Mateus knows that name.
Can you tell me about him?
I don't know him personally. We've never been introduced. But rumour has it that he often hangs out in the basement at the Coin Tavern. You ask far too many questions. My guys will make you regret sticking your nose in other people's business.
Mais attends, on n'a pas fini là. D'accord. On peut pas l'interroger plus que ça. Ah mais les gars, je vous explique.
Stop! You're gonna kill them.
Bah oui.
I'll tell you everything. But after that, leave me be and do not come
Bah voilà.
back.
Après la
Why
carotte,
is
le
the
bâton.
Cardinal borrowing money from you? And how does she pay you back so quickly?
I have no idea. And to be honest, I don't care in the slightest. All I can do is assure you that she's not helping herself to the city funds, if that's what you're thinking.
How could you possibly know that?
Because San Mateus is rich, but not that rich. With a cardinal, we're talking about astronomical amounts.
And what's Candy Cane's role in all of this?
I don't know. I really have no dealings with him. We have never met, and I have no desire to. He and the cardinal have a connection, but I just lend money. I have nothing to do with him. My advice to you is don't get involved. Those two are dangerous.
I would advise you to keep all of this to yourself.
I don't want any trouble. I will be as silent as a stone.
Pourquoi vous sortez les armes? On se calme, on se calme. N'inquiétez pas. Et oui. Quand on me cherche, on me trouve. Il n'y a rien. On sait qu'on aurait pu escalader. Donc du coup, on a fini ce côté. On va aller ici. Très bien. Allez, on y va tranquillement. Bonjour madame. C'est la prochaine. Et on va tout droit. Bon, la ville est un petit peu vide, mais bon, on peut pas non plus mettre une flopée de gens. De toute façon, ils nous auraient gênés pour circuler. Bien le bonjour. Ah, j'aurais pensé que Sucre d'Orge aurait été une femme. Mais bon. On va parler au tavernier.
Can I get you anything?
I'm here for something else. Can I ask you a couple of questions?
If you wish. What would you like to know?
Évoquer la mère cardinale, peut-être pas au tout début. On va d'abord voir ses gros clients.
You sometimes deliver goods to your big clients. Isn't that right?
Of course. The rich don't like to get drunk among mere mortals.
And have you ever supplied anyone from the palace?
Yes, that has happened. It suits them.
And who places these orders?
Well, a steward, of course. Don't you know how things work?
A woman? Dressed in a long green cloak?
No, the steward is more discreet. On the other hand, the person in the big green coat, the steward speaks to her sometimes. They know each other or work together.
Très bien. On va invoquer la reine mère. La mère cardinale, hein, vous l'aurez compris.
Do you think that the mother cardinal may have been here?
Are you drunk or something?
Se renseigner sur Sucre d'Orge.
What can you tell me about a certain Candy Cane?
Candy Cane. Everyone speaks about him or has heard of him, but no one really knows him.
And what do they say about him?
Here, nothing. You need to go downstairs for that sort of thing.
To the games room and the brothel?
Yes, that's more the kind of place where they talk about him.
I have to go. I will leave you to your work.
Oh, ça va, il nous a quand même assez bien renseigné. Pourquoi il a encore un point d'exclamation sur lui là?
Can I get you anything? Look who it is. I feel that once again you're not here to support my business.
Bon, bah, faut peut-être aller le voir après.
I will leave you to your work.
Faut peut-être aller le voir après. Donc du coup, on va au sous-sol. Comme d'habitude, c'est du côté droit. L'organisateur des combats.
Good day.
Welcome. You here to wager? To fight?
Interroger sur les paris.
On what would we be betting?
On the fights in the arena. You never heard of them? Quite a few come here and bet fortunes.
And do they win?
A few do, others have less luck. But they do get the thrill either way, you see, and that's all that counts.
Ouais. On va l'interroger sur l'arène.
What is this arena?
It's a place of great pomp and entertainment, where all manner of fights take place. Men, women, savage beasts, island monsters. People are coming from everywhere on the island to participate, or to bet.
Non mais mon gars, je suis déjà le roi de l'arène, déjà. À la nouvelle... À la première ville. Putain, je sais même plus comment elle s'appelle. Bordel de merde. Parler du sucre d'orge.
I imagine that the name Candy Cane rings a bell.
Obviously, even though I would prefer it wasn't the case. He's a sort of organizer. He captures most of the beasts who fight in the arena.
How is that a problem?
Apparently, he's fixed a few fights. These kind of rumors aren't good for my business.
If that's the case, why don't you stop him?
He has friends, protectors. Without solid evidence, no one will lift a finger. And the only ones who wanted to speak of his cartel have disappeared.
Do you know where I could find him?
He often hangs out around the port at night, but I strongly advise you to stay away from the guy.
I know how to look after myself. Thanks for the information.
Parler de la mère cardinale.
Has the Mother Cardinal ever come here to place bets?
The Mother Cardinal? And why not Saint Matthias himself while you're at it?
Ouais, d'accord.
I must be going.
Next time, then.
Oh, bah, il nous a déjà renseigné où on pourrait trouver sucre d'orge.
A feast for the eyes, ladies and gentlemen, and it's free. Come and see me as soon as you have made your choice. You won't be disappointed. Of that
Le
I can
proxénète. Il ressemble à un soldat quand même. Hein.
So, have you found what you were looking for?
Let's just say that I'm gathering information.
My treasures are worth their price. I promise you that you will get your money's worth. For you, I'm sure we can make a special arrangement.
Ah. Et on n'a pas ça. Bon, ben on est obligé de payer du coup.
Here you are.
Thank you, my lady. I'll let you take your pick.
Thank you.
Bon, ça va qu'on a un petit peu de sous. Donc il y a 3 personnes à interroger. Bonjour mademoiselle.
Look, a new face. Oh, but wouldn't that be... Hello, father.
Ah.
Oh, hello.
Ah oui, un habitué. Bonjour.
We would like to know if you know who this earring belongs to. Is it maybe yours?
Absolutely not. I am careful not to leave my belongings with clients, and I have no desire to answer your questions. That doesn't fall within my services.
Very well. Goodbye.
Ouais. Apparemment ses attributions ne sont pas aussi de se laver les dents.
There are too many of you for me alone, my little lambs.
Sorry, madam. But we're here
On est
to
trop nombreux.
ask
Oh, allez, vas-y, un prix de groupe.
This question might seem a little surprising. But do you know who this earring might belong to?
Why? It's mine. I lost it when... How did you get hold of it?
Are you sure you want to broach that subject here?
You're right. Come with me. Well, what do you want? Why are you giving me back my earring?
You know where we found it, don't you?
Obviously. I realized as soon as I got back that I'd lost it.
I imagine your pimp does not know that you take part in these parties. He doesn't dabble in this at all?
No. Do not say anything to him, I beg you. He's on my case enough as it is.
Then I suggest you answer my questions.
What would you like to know?
S'enquérir des participants aux soirées, se renseigner sur l'organisateur, suggérer la présence de la mère cardinale. Bah déjà les participants.
Could you tell us who you saw at the parties?
Rich people, or better. They seemed very rich and important to me. But I don't know them.
Ouais, elle sert à rien donc. Sur l'organisateur alors.
Do you know who organizes these parties?
Not really, no. A steward pays me when I go, but I don't see anyone else, apart from the clients.
You can't even give me a single name?
No. The only person who sometimes speaks to this steward is a woman who is always wearing
Le
a
fameux
green
manteau
coat.
vert.
She never takes part in the festivities, but the steward rushes over whenever she arrives.
Okay. Suggérer la présence de la mère cardinale.
Do you think that an important person from Thélème could have partaken in these soirees?
You're thinking of Mother Cardinal, aren't you? You lot really think we are a bunch of degenerates.
You're hardly a shining example of virtue, my child. Just answer our questions.
Sorry, Father, I don't know the Mother Cardinal. but I strongly doubt she dabbles in that.
You don't think you could recognize her, and you don't think you've crossed paths. What a testimony.
Tentez d'en apprendre un peu plus. 75%. Bon, allez, vas-y.
Admit it. You must know more than you're
Accorde-moi
letting
ça.
on. It's virtually impossible not to recognize someone while being so close to these influential people. Wouldn't you agree?
Please, I'm
Oh
serious.
putain, mais c'est pas vrai.
Despite all the benefits and money, these parties aren't enjoyable in the slightest.
I understand.
Parler de sucre d'orge.
Do you know someone who goes by the name of Candy Cane?
Everyone does. He is a powerful person, so his name makes the rounds.
Have you ever spotted him at these pleasure parties?
In all honesty, I wouldn't even be able to recognize him. I've heard his name before, but that's all.
Ouais, comme tout le monde. Parler de la femme au manteau vert.
This woman in the green coat. Could you tell me about her?
She always hides her face and never joins us. Then she disappears into a little office and locks the door.
I see. She is quite important, then. Thank you for your help.
Be sure not to mention this to anyone. I'd lose my clients if they suspected me of speaking about them, you know.
Et ouais, et parler, c'est pas vraiment ce qu'on lui demande. Donc du coup, on a fini d'interroger tout le monde. On va remonter. Et faut réinterroger l'aubergiste.
Can I get you anything? Look who it is. I feel that once again you're not here to support my business.
Lui parler de la femme au manteau vert.
I am looking for a woman who comes here. She always wears a long green coat.
Yes, I have seen this coat before, but I have no idea who is beneath it, if that's what you're asking. All I know is that I've seen her speaking to a regular, a steward of the palace who comes to place big orders. Always prime choice.
I have to go. I will leave you to your work.
Ok. Ah, faut redescendre. Mais ils se foutent de ma gueule ou quoi?
Good day. Welcome. You here to wager?
Ouais, salut, salut. Alors, la femme au manteau vert.
I am looking for someone. A woman wearing a big green coat.
Yeah, I know who you mean. She's a good client. She comes in especially for the big fights, and she has prime information.
Do you know where I can find her?
No, I don't even know her name.
She wouldn't happen to be coming back to collect some winnings, would she?
No, and I can't really tell you when she'll show up next.
I must be going.
Next time, then.
Tu sers à rien.
How do you see things, my child?
I think that the usurer is lending money to the Cardinal, and very significant sums at that. With this money, she bets on the arena fights while hiding in a big green coat. And she also gives large amounts to a certain Candy Cane, known for fixing fights.
Not only does our dear Cornelia love betting games, but she also wouldn't think twice about cheating to win.
Maybe he is just giving her advice. How can we prove anything?
We can always try asking him. Who knows? Perhaps he will give us an answer.
Trouver et interroger sucre d'orge. Donc, je pense que c'est la nuit. Donc on m'avait dit la nuit au port. Hein. Si on s'en souvient bien. Dommage qu'on n'a pas une indication sur la journée là. L'impression de tourner en rond là, non?
Candy Cane is not here. At least not yet. Remember, my child, the bookmaker told us that he hangs around here at night.
That's true, you were right. Let's come back later.
Ah mais je m'en souvenais qu'il fallait revenir la nuit. C'est pas le problème. Ce n'est pas le problème. Donc, c'est ici. Et ma demeure est ici. Donc on va ressortir. On va aller avancer au niveau des heures de la journée. Oh, mais je me paume dans ces villes, c'est un truc de fou. J'ai rien crafté de bien pour l'instant. Hein. J'aimerais bien me trouver un anneau légendaire avant. Alors, je suis pas trop loin de mon appart là, il est juste en face. Alors, se reposer. La nuit. On y reva. S'il veut pas parler, on lui mettra quelques coups de latte au niveau de la bouche. Ça devrait lui délier la langue un petit peu. Oh, comme je les défonce. On verra après au niveau des loots. Hein. Je les pulvérise. Faudrait que je pense aussi à vendre les espèces de trophées que je loot à chaque fois. J'ai regardé la dernière fois, ça commence à faire un petit peu lourd dans mes sacs. Sucre d'orge.
Good evening. Are you the one they call Candy Cane?
Who are you?
Desardet, legate of the merchant congregation.
A legate, no less. I imagine in these cases, the one accompanying you is the famous Petrus.
You seem to be very well informed. Therefore, you might be able to answer my question. What do you know about a woman in a green coat?
Why would I tell you?
We know that you have business with this woman, and that she is actually the Mother Cardinal.
How did you... You would be better off forgetting that.
That's not exactly the response I'd imagined. But nevertheless, seems rather eloquent.
I told you to forget about it, or you'll soon run into trouble. Legate or no legate.
Come on. It was just an innocent little conversation. Goodbye, Mr. Kane.
Bye. And Godspeed.
We have enough information.
Really? Is the fact that she bets on fights that are potentially fixed enough for you?
It's already a huge scandal. Let me just think about it for a little while. I will find a way of putting this information to good use.
I have faith in you, Father.
D'accord. Et donc c'est tout pour la quête là. Le nouvel Éden. Là donc c'est la recherche. Les secrets du prince. Culte démoniaque. Se rentre au village, d'accord. Et au niveau d'ici, trouble en Éden. On va commencer légèrement cette quête. On va voir jusqu'où ça peut nous amener. Je pense pas la terminer au niveau de cet épisode. Sinon ça va faire un petit peu trop long. Ouais, bon, on arrive bientôt au niveau 21. Les niveaux augmentent petit à petit. Très très bien, c'est pas trop court, c'est pas trop long. Je pense que c'est au niveau raisonnable. Hein. Plus qu'on est pas mal. Après on est aussi en mode histoire, qui est la version la plus facile du jeu. Et je pense que pour découvrir le jeu, les mécanismes, je pense que c'est l'idéal. Donc, au niveau de notre équipement, non, il y a vraiment pas grand chose, hein. On n'a pas trop de choses intéressantes. Au niveau du poids, bon, on est bien. Allez, on va voyager. Donc on doit aller ici. Donc on n'est jamais allé, hein. On n'y est jamais allé. On va voir si les mobs ne sont pas trop hauts. Je pense pas, mais bon. On arrive directement au niveau du village. D'accord. Je pense que c'est un simple campement gigantesque. Je pense. On va voir, on va commencer déjà à aller parler au père. Je prendrai les caisses sur le chemin vite fait, j'irai chercher un petit peu tout le reste plus tard.
It is the village of Eden the Cardinal Mother told you about. The place where natives and priests live together. I must admit that I'm curious to see it.
All that's left to do is find Father Justinius.
Ouais, et on a 2 contrats. Donc détruire les nids des... D'accord. Et l'autre, c'est le pulcre de voyageurs. D'accord, très bien. On verra ça le moment venu. Peut-être qu'on pourra directement les faire en faisant une autre quête. Donc on va aller directement parler au père. Pour savoir ce qui se passe.
Welcome to Eden, the lighthouse of faith, harmony and civilization in these wild lands.
Thank you. Desardet. I am the legate of the merchant congregation.
And I am Father Justinius. Delighted. And what may I do for you?
Interroger sur les tablettes volées.
The Mother Cardinal has asked me to investigate the theft of these tablets you discovered.
That's excellent news. The loss of the tablets is a catastrophe. We have to find them at all costs. If you want to learn more about these tablets, you should go ask Sister Eugenia. She supervises the theologians who discovered them, and were also guarding them. You should find her a bit further in the village, with her colleagues.
Who are the suspects of this theft?
The heretical brutes of the village of Vedlug most likely had a hand in this. They must have wanted to please the demons they worship by stealing the holy word from us.
How could they have learned of the tablet's existence?
Perhaps the demons are giving them this power. Unless one of the natives living in the village innocently mentioned them. They are so naive. Either way, I am certain that the heretics are involved in this matter.
I must leave you. Goodbye.
May the enlightened always keep you in their divine blessing.
I wonder what really happened when the missionaries came to settle here.
It all seems a bit too convenient. If we find out some information about the history of Eden, maybe we'll change our view on things. The theft of the relic is probably not a coincidence.
D'accord. Bah écoutez, au niveau de la carte, donc ici on a un feu de camp. Faudra penser à le prendre. On vient de le faire, donc on va aller interroger les théologiens. Ah mais toutes les routes sont barrées, c'est un truc de fou. Attendez, il a encore une quête là? Attendez, d'abord, on va continuer la quête qu'on est en train de faire, tranquillement. Parce que je suis censé parler aux gens. Et si je commence à m'éparpiller un petit peu trop, ça ne va plus.
Hello. The Mother Cardinal asked me to help you find the tablets that were stolen. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course. But hurry, I have a lot to do.
Interroger sur les tablettes volées.
I talked to Father Justinius. He told me that you were supervising the theologians here.
Indeed. It is under my supervision that the research on Saint Matthias is conducted.
Elle soupçonne qui alors?
Whom do you suspect of being the thief?
Oh, alas. I'm afraid there are many suspects. These tablets are priceless relics. Some settlers may have fallen prey to the lure of profit. The heretical natives of Vedlug may have wanted to take them away from us. Or it could have been vengeance by those who had to leave the village.
Quitter le village? Ils les ont bannis surtout, oui. Lui demander où étaient les tablettes.
Where were the tablets the night they were stolen?
We were keeping them in one of the village's shacks. We intended to bring them to San Matthias later. But first, we wanted to examine them in order to obtain as much information as possible. You can go and take a look in the shack if you want to. But I couldn't find any traces of forced entry.
Leurs places sont dans un musée, ok?
Sa place est dans un musée!
Qui les gardait?
I imagine that someone was keeping watch over them.
Of course, we took turns guarding the shack. But some of us can't have taken the task that seriously. If I remember correctly, it was Brother Virgil who was guarding them that night.
Well, thank you for these pieces of information.
I am the one who should be thanking you. Especially if you managed to retrieve the tablets for us.
Demander de parler de la création d'Éden.
The Mother Cardinal told me that this village had been developed on the basis of St. Lucius's writings. Are you one of the theologians who helped in its creation?
Yes. I was sent here to confirm that this place is indeed the one described in the writings, and then I stayed.
Interroger sur la création des natifs et leur arrivée.
What was the reaction of the natives when you arrived here?
Most of them were not in favor of us living amongst them. They were afraid we might chase them out of their own village. And there were even more protests once we started talking about searching for traces of Saint Matthias. I suppose they thought we would destroy all of their raised stones and other places of superstition.
Je suis en train de me demander si Matthäus c'est pas celui qui a balancé cette putain de malédiction. Hein? Je lui ai demandé s'il y a eu des affrontements.
Were there any confrontations with the natives?
Yes. The warriors of the village attacked us. The Ordo Luminous actually had to intervene. The Inquisition managed to make them run away. The islanders tried to attack again with the support of Vedlug, but we stood our ground. And when Lur, the chief of the village, finally accepted our presence, things calmed down.
Thank you. This information will certainly prove to be useful. Thank you. I will let you work.
D'accord. Lui on peut lui parler, lui aussi. Lui aussi. D'accord. Bah, avant d'aller plus loin dans cette quête, je pense qu'on va pouvoir se laisser là pour cet épisode. Likez la vidéo si elle vous a plu, cela me fera plaisir. Si vous voulez continuer bien sûr à me suivre dans cette aventure, je vous invite à vous abonner. Sur ce, je vous dis à la prochaine!